how to organize Spotify library. First, you need to get up here on the third selection on your light setup right down, which is your library. Right from here, you can check over and take a look on all of your sites. From here, you can organize it so easy by adding artists if you want. Yeah, for example, this one, then go done. Yeah, it doesn't matter which you have got. Here you can find music, then you can take it over right now. Also, you can just go selected by most recent, or you can go for recent play it. Yeah, now as you can see, it is so different. You're gonna go with recently added. As you can see, this was our site. Then you have also for alphabetical site selection. Yeah, and the last one is by creator. Just go on it. From here also you can check it over. Now if you tap on the right side selection, from here you can see it with a larger side lit section. Also, what are gonna be available, you can add podcasts or shows if you have. If you don't have, you can go by this button. You can take a look and add new playlist, and then you can simply check it out on your site.